Hello, beautiful dancers, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back. Ahlan wa sahlan. My name is NikkaNadia, and we are here together to start a Darbuka Tabla. This one went viral on my TikTok. You can check it out. I'll link it below. So, today we're working with a Turkish artist, Munir Doganay. This is Darbuka Havasi. Let's listen together. Make sure you're warmed up. We're not going to warm up together. I'll link a warm up below. It's really important that you warm up, okay, and cool down. Let's listen. So, duck, 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 duck. Duck, 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 duck. Duck, 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 duck. Bra, 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 ta, ta. We are going to start. Option to make this either a hip accent or a lockdown. So dancer's choice. I always like to have my feet quite close together and one slightly in front of the other, like a sloppy fourth or fifth position to create more of this oriental shape. So arms are going to be out at the sides, chest is lifted, nice and long. If you want to do lockdowns, we are going to start with my right, your left. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tuck quickly to release 7. Tuk, 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 tuk. Boom. Okay, if you want to just make it hip accent side to side, you simply go dot, 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 dot. Boom. So it's really quite similar, just the difference would be whether the accent is going down, 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 or side, 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 side. You can alternate between both. You can practice both, okay? And bum, 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 bum. So the trick is getting in to go out, yes? Doom, 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 doom. In, out. Boom, 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 boom. I show you from the side. Boom, 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 boom. I show you from the back. Doom, 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 boom. See how really quick we have to go in to go out. One more time. Boom. Then we're going to go up. Dook, 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 dook. Chest. Okay? So the first ones are accenting down if we're doing lockdowns, and then the second ones are going up. And we can add we can layer and add a level change if you'd like to that afterwards. Okay? So down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out. Up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chest. Bum, 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 bum. Boom. And I am kind of coming back to the same tucked position. Why? Because it's important that when we're doing a chest accent, we're nice and stable in our pelvis. Okay, that way we can accent the chest nice and strong without hurting the back. That way we have a strong base and pelvis to move from. So the second one goes bum, 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 boom. Dun, 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 boom. Okay, let's put those two together. Boom. Boom. All right, should we try it? And again. Once more, then we add on. Okay, dancers. we have do, 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 boom. Do, 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 boom. Okay? If you want to layer, we can go doom, boom, 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 boom. Doom, boom, 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 ba. Then side, tuck, out. Side, tuck, out. And it's okay. I don't mind which direction you go to first. I find myself sometimes switching, okay? So down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out. Up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chest. Side tuck out. Side tuck out. Rat, 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 rat-ta-ta. Again, side, hip accent, tuck, pelvis in, release. Side, hip accent, tuck, pelvis in, release. I'll reverse it. Side, tuck, out. Side, tuck, out. Rat, 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 dat. Okay, from the top with out the tabla. Down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out. Up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chest. Side tuck out. Side tuck out. Roop, 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 duck, duck, duck. Arms are just going to be basic. This is tabla technique. I want it to be clean, clear, and strong. And I want you to just have the hands out to the sides. Then on the omis, hroom, 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 duck, duck, duck. You can bring them here. You can bring them here. You can bring them here. Or keep them out. Okay, whatever feels natural. But I want you to practice going whichever omi feels most natural for you. 1, 2, 3, ratata. So this is a small reverse camel with a head accent at the end. So 1, 2, 3, ratata. I'm rolling hip, stomach, chest, and let your head go up at the top. From the top together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rat-ta-ta-ta, rat-tat, boom. Rat-ta-ta-ta, rat-tat-ting. Boom, boom, ah. Boom, boom, ah. Hroom, hroom, hroom. Duck, duck, duck. Let's go. Okay, again, just that much. So, as you can see, what comes next? Then, shimmying. I am doing my favorite shimmy, the Egyptian shimmy, where we go. I'm shaking my knees to straighten back and forth. Okay? Bum, 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 bum. Yes? Then, to make it more interesting, more natural, I'm shifting my weight back and forth as I do this. And as you can see, I like to use a little bit of épaulement, as we call it in ballet, where we turn the head, okay, towards the working hip I'm doing naturally. So we would have tak, 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 boom. Hack, tak, 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 rack, tak, boom. And we need to keep if you're using that releve, even as we go down, I want you to focus on squeezing those knees together. We don't want them opening, okay? And then as we come up, you have to focus on squeezing the heels together. We don't want to be here. Heels stay together, feet slightly open, okay? So, do, 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 ba. Side tuck out. Side tuck out. Room, room, room. Duck, duck, duck. I like to give myself a little bit more of a plie for those omis so that we can really crank them out. And I'm syncopating a little bit with the rhythm. Room, room, room. Duck, duck, duck. Instead of just going smooth each time, I'm room, 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 duck, duck, duck. Then I'm kind of stepping forward, creating this urgency, this energy coming forward. Let's add on with just the shimmy now. Turkish tablas are so spicy. Side tuck out, omi, 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 ra-ta-ta. Omi, 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 shoulder shimmy. That is all that we're going to do for today, the part that I just showed you. Let's do this much, then we add on the next parts. Omi, 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 shoulders. Hip, hip, twist, twist, shimmy, boom, twist, twist, shimmy, boom. Whew. Gets you warm, right? That's for sure. So we said, bring your feet back together. So we're stepping, shifting. Bring feet together. You can see I'm adding a plie again to get those omis nice and juicy. Then stepping out. Shoulder shimmy with a body wave, mauj daljasim, or a camel. So it's just a shoulder shimmy. If you want level 1, you can just shoulder shimmy. Boom, boom. Hand comes here to hold the elbow crease. Other hand comes here to hold the head. Boom, boom. Again, I'm looking back at my hip. Okay? If you would like to layer, boom, 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 boom. We are putting boom, boom. Then twist, twist. Room, boom, boom. Twist, twist, room, boom, boom. So the first twist and the second twist are actually a little bit different, okay? We just said boom, boom. First twist is this hip is going twist, twist. So it's almost like when we do our circling hip accent like this, right? We do these guys, but instead of an accent up, it's just a softer forward, forward. Like in the last class, how we practiced the hip twisting, okay? If you were there with me, room, room. Then we're going to shimmy on just one leg, room, boom, boom. So this is where advanced shimmying comes in handy, doom, boom, boom. And you're going to sit into that hip. Doom, boom, boom. So it has a little bit of an accent at the end. Room, boom, boom. Then the second one is just a full body twist, twist. Okay, so the first one, we're standing on one foot and the other leg is going around. Room, boom, boom. And then the second one is the whole body going at once. And you're kind of using the twerk torque of boom, boom. The arms to propel the hips. So, rum, boom, 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 rum, boom, boom. So the second one has a shimmy, again to one hip, heel drop. So, boom. Let's put that all together. We have ra-ta-ta-ta-rum-pum-pa, ra-ta-ta-ta-rum-pum-pa, dum-pum-pa, dum-pum-pa, rum-rum-rum, ta-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, omi, omi, omi. Shoulders with the camel, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, boom, boom. Twist with one leg, boom, boom. Shimmy to one hip, full body twist, boom, boom. Shimmy, heel drop. That's all for today. Let's do it a few times through. We are absolutely going to add on to this soon. Okay. And you can hear how that second one is a little bit harder. So that's why we add the heel drop at the end. Okay? And arms are really staying so basic because this is a lot of tight, fast technique. Let's do it a few times more through. Take a big breath. Stand up tall. Smile and breathe. And oops, I did my hip. So, lots of options. I didn't even realize what I was doing wrong at first. I'm like, what's happening? But I did a hip shimmy with the camel instead of a shoulder shimmy, which is totally an option, right? A few more times through, dancers. Here we go. Sorry, pardon, Asifa. Here we go. One more time. We have. One more for good measure. Big breath. And okay, thank you so much, dancers. Be sure to drink lots of water, cool down, stretch out, and have a beautiful day.